In today's video, we are going to discuss how much a product designer actually costs. So how much does it cost to hire a product designer? I'm a product designer and there are different type of people that they have different mindset to hire me whenever they interview me or they get on a Zoom call with me. They have different mindsets. So I'm going to train you that your mind should be and what you should be looking at when you are hiring a product designer. Now, the first step would be whenever you are hiring a product designer, I think it is good to see his or her portfolio, but you need to understand, you need to interview their design process. How do you start a design? How do you approach a design? Because design is a problem. So their first questions are normally, what are you going to charge to design a dashboard? And if I say like $1,000 or $1,500, they're going to say, oh, there are people that are going to design it for just $5 or maybe $25. I know there are people who can design anything for $5, but they are not user experience designers. They are just web designers or UI designers that just get the direction, or they just pick up a template or an inspiration, just duplicate that, and that's it. That is going to be your design. What you should look for in a product designer: number one, you have to look for what is their design process, how they approach the design, uh, whether they are going to ask you questions about it. If they are not asking any questions, what are the frameworks your developers are using? Are you using React, Next, whatever the framework you are using? How does your current application or SaaS dashboard looks like? How many users are currently using your dashboard or your app? What are the problems they are having? What are they complaining about? So these are the questions you should always ask a product designer, or should look for when you are hiring a product designer. So if you are looking for something that they are uh, just looking at their work and wow, he has used a great number of colors, animations and things like that, I think it is good to have something like this. These are skills, but the first skill and the last skill would be that you have to ask them these questions. Okay, so if they are not interested, let me show you some of my samples and work. I mostly do landing page designs and landing page development projects and SaaS dashboards, SaaS onboarding flows design and all that stuff. I mostly help startups with their SaaS and AI products. So this is the last landing page I did, I think the second last, for Damien's Law Firm, and you can see over here each design is a problem. So I have been getting a detailed specification document. So if there are clients, or if you are hiring a product designer, you should have some specifications, detailed specifications, or at least some wireframes or something in your hand, or your content ready if you want them to hire or you want to work with them. So you can see over here we have different sections. Then we have client testimonials about Damien's Law Firm, and you should have good amount of good photographs or images or pictures that are really professional looking. Okay, then we had a video over here. Then we had these different sections for different tech services. I have worked with a lot of law firms, startups, SaaS AI startups. I have designed the dashboards. So here we have the typical layout of this design. Okay, so let me show you something else. So here we have another project that is startup skilled score, and we started with a UX audit. So you can see this is my audit report. You can see over here these are the things I have discussed with them. So if you are hiring a product designer, I think they should always start with a user experience audit, just a quick audit. Then we discuss the dashboard issues. You can see these all highlighted red areas. These are all dashboard problems they had. Then we shifted to their landing pages. These are the landing pages we design for them. These are the dashboard design. I think it is going to take some time to load. Okay, so these are all the dashboard. Resume analysis module, 5 screens, login, sign up, dashboard, other dashboard. So these are all different tabs for the dashboard, the main navigations. Again, you can see over here profile. So all these and you can see the icon set I have over here, marketing, some of the marketing email templates. These are the illustrations we use. These are all premium illustrations. And let me show you, these are the logo. Actually, I designed their branding too. And then the end, we designed the pitch deck document or pitch deck design to show it to your prospects or investors. And let me zoom into the design because I think you haven't seen anything. So this is the pitch deck, just to get the idea that it takes some time and effort, because each startup, each design has a different theme, different audience, different set of users, primary users, secondary, tertiary. They are all different for each startup and each domain and industry. So you have to be hiring a person who is going to ask a lot of questions, who has some depth and knowledge, who knows how to design something for your users, not just to wow you yourself. Okay, so if you are hiring someone, if they wow yourself with your design, that is not going to help your users. Okay, so this is my simple video that you should hire someone that can help your users get information, get decisions, or use your app easily and with achieving their goals easily. Okay, so that is all. This is my video about how much does it cost to hire a product designer and what you should look for in a product designer. Normally, my projects like the one I showed you, this one, skill score, for everything from landing page to pitch deck to logo rebranding, design inspirations, the estimate is around $4,000 to $5,000. Okay, so we normally we also develop the landing pages. If you want us to static development of the landing pages, we also do that. But UX audit, logo branding design, email, one or two email templates design, your landing page design, your dashboard screens that are going to have like 15 to 20 screens. We do it in almost 4,000 budget. So if you are wondering, wow, how much do we charge? So this is all. It might depend on differently, or maybe 5,000 or 6,000 depending on the project, how complex it is, how many iterations there are for the design, how many online sessions we are going to conduct to discuss things. So design is always a collaborative effort. It is not a like a hero kind of solo hero playing designer role and leading everyone. This is not like that. So this is all. This is going to be my video about how to hire a product designer and what you should look for in a product designer. I am a product designer. If you want to hire me, so you there is my email and my website link. You can always contact me. You can just book a discovery call and ask me all these questions which I just have shown you. So that is all. I think if you agree or disagree, just leave your comments below in this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.